Morning to everyone. Let everybody join, then we'll begin.
Morning, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, children, yesterday till where had we done? We had done till short
Answer the following question in brief. Answer this question in brief.
answer the following in brief. That's correct. So today we'll begin answer these questions. They're yes, good morning, beta. They're not in detail, but it's just that answer these questions. So I'll share screen with you. Just a minute, give me a minute.
And my third one is left.
Your third one is left.
The third one answer is we can't drink water
From
because it is
oceans
salty.
and seas. We can't drink water from oceans and seas since it is salty water. Very simple answer. You can write it on your own.
Ma'am, we can write this also. We can't drink water.
Ma'am, I have done already done.
Those who have done, very nice. Let people ask.
Ma'am,
who
please
have
wait.
doubt.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please wait for 2 minutes.
2 minutes for what, beta? What you have to do? Okay, see, the third answer is here. Those who have not done can do it from here. Meanwhile, I'll share the screen with you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Morning, ma'am.
Good
What we are doing?
We are doing some written work.
Ma'am, this we have done yesterday.
I know, beta, we have done. I'm just sharing the next screen with you, which will take 1 minute. So please give me 1 minute.
But ma'am, I written these two answer by myself.
Very nice. That's very nice.
Okay, ma'am.
Because this chapter is very easy and it has been understood very well by all of you.
Ma'am, I have done this. Ma'am, I have joined now, so please wait for some.
Okay, now it is almost there.
Ma'am, please share the next screen.
Yes, beta, I'm sharing. Please wait. Just wait. Just wait
Okay,
for the
ma'am.
next screen. 1 minute and it will be shared.
Ma'am, I am in question 3. Please wait for a minute. Ma'am, what we are doing? 3 minutes left.
Ma'am.
Yes, Varshita.
I cannot understand what is happening because I am not in the first question.
You cannot understand what, beta?
I cannot understand where we are.
I cannot understand what you are saying after understand. What you are saying, Varshita, after understand?
I'm saying I cannot understand where we are.
Oh, just wait, beta. Let me listen to what she's saying. Only say what is the point which I'm not being able to understand, Varshita. Don't say the whole sentence.
Okay, ma'am. Where we are, ma'am, can you show the first question? So can I take? So I will take the screenshot.
You were not there yesterday in class. Answer the following in brief.
Just a minute.
You have done this work?
Yes, ma'am, I have done it in the previous class only.
Very nice. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, I have done. We have done.
Now it's time to share the next screen. Those who have not done will do it from D group.
Ma'am, is it question 4 also? Or we will start the answer the following question in detail.
No, there is no question 4. We will start with answer the following in detail. Okay. Here it
Excuse
goes.
me, ma'am.
Answer these questions. Now start doing in your copy, and I'm muting all of you. Yes, say Vamika.
Ma'am, please see.
Beta, whatever you have done, very nice. You will post it on the class group and tell me, ma'am, I have posted there, because it is very difficult to see here. What is
Okay, ma'am. Doing answer these questions, you have to post it.
answer these questions you want me to send there in 4th C group?
Ma'am, what we have to post?
Can you
We're talking
send
about posted in the group.
Beta, nothing. You don't
question
have
of
to post
brief?
anything. You don't have to post anything. Vamika was showing me
Ma'am,
some
can
drawings, so I
you send
said,
all
post
the
it
work?
there if you want to show. Yes, Varshita.
Ma'am, can you send all the questions of brief and answer the following?
I have sent on the class group. Please check.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम 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 में इतना ही है
What?
मैम प्लीज स्क्रॉल डाउन
There is nothing below it, beta. Let everybody write this much.
ओके मैम आई हैव रिटन टिल रेन फेड रिवर of question answer this question in detail.
Ma'am, this is a short answer.
No, beta, this is not short answer. At least open your book before you. You should have your book before you to tell you what you are doing. Don't just rely on the screen. Why do you want spoon
Ma'am,
feeding?
please. Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, please turn
Enlarge the screen.
previous place. I'm on the first one.
Which first answer, Panch?
Not
Which
the-
first answer?
Ma'am, answer the following questions.
This D exercise.
Yes.
Okay, do it. Now I will change after 1 minute. Nobody will say, ma'am, please scroll down, scroll up.
Ma'am, please send this on WhatsApp. Ma'am, please send this on WhatsApp group. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, please send this on WhatsApp group.
Beta, I have already sent. Has it not reached? It has not been received. See, the whole PDF is there. You people don't look at the group. This class only believes in speaking.
Ma'am, now you can turn the page out.
Yes, ma'am, turn the page.
Yes, ma'am, please turn the page.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
everybody will be quiet and do the work. Don't say, ma'am, I have done, I am this, I am that.
Ma'am, what is the example of rain-fed river that you have written?
What is the? It's Narmada, beta.
Narmada.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in rain-fed rivers, rain-fed rivers are formed. Ma'am, what's written after are formed?
Because of rainfall. They are formed because of rainfall.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Please scroll down a bit because I want the estimation.
Wait,
down.
wait.
Ma'am, please read answer 2.
A strait is a narrow channel of sea joining two larger expanses of water. For example, Park Strait. An isthmus is a narrow strip of land that connects two large bodies of land. For example, Panama.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, in the answer to what you have written after two larger.
Two larger expanses of water.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, yes.
Ma'am, in answer to what is written after channel?
Narrow channel of sea.
Ma'am, answer to what is written after two layers.
What, beta?
Ma'am, answer what is written after two larger.
Two larger expanses of water.
Ma'am, can you tell the spelling of expenses?
Yes. What, beta?
Nothing. Ma'am, please turn the page.
What, beta?
Turn the page.
Turn the page. Everyone has done this. You have done.
No, ma'am.
Everyone has done.
Ma'am, I am doing now second.
Yes, I am not changing the page.
Ma'am.
No, I am not turning. Let everybody do. You have done does not mean the whole class has done.
I have seen WhatsApp.
Those who have done can just show me a thumbs up so that I come to know everyone has done. Then I'll change the screen.
Ma'am, I am eating, so my camera will be off, but I have done. I am showing a thumbs up.
Ma'am, what you have written, for example, for example, in the anisthmus, the
Nama.
second paragraph.
Beta P-A-N-A-M-A. Panama.
Ma'am, can I underline from another page also?
Ma'am, message.
Yes, beta, yes, you can underline.
Ma'am, message came by mistake in the chat box.
What came by mistake in the chat box? Okay, no problem. Now I'm changing the screen, children.
Please wait.
Please wait.
Oh my God, so many. Please wait.
Can you share? Ma'am, can you share photo of the second answer?
No, I will. Photo of the second answer. Second answer is already there on the screen.
Ma'am, the picture on the WhatsApp group.
I have already sent it,
Ma'am, I
Bhavya.
have done. Ma'am, I have done. Now we change the screen, ma'am.
Okay, now you change. And those who have not done will sit like this only because Raina has done. Now we can change.
Ma'am, I have done.
Right?
Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, can you share?
You have not sent the second one.
I have sent the entire PDF. I have sent the whole chapter from difficult words till answer the following in detail. Check properly.
Ma'am, can you check the chat box, but please don't check that K1.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. What?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Mashta, you can do it later, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Now what, children? I am changing the screen. Those who have not done will see from class group. Give no, wait. Give one difference and one similarity between oceans and seas. Now you have to tell similarity between the two and difference between the two. Yes, sure.
Ma'am, I'm asking that we have to draw a diagram because ma'am, I have done the answer key also.
You have done answer 3 also. Very quick. Very nice. Now I will tell you what you have to draw.
Yes, ma'am, we
Did
also
I,
gonna.
did I make you draw 4 water bodies? Did I share a diagram with
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So beta, that's all. In this chapter, you are not supposed to draw anything else then.
Okay,
Only
ma'am.
that one is supposed to be drawn. You have done. Now sit quietly. I'm going to let everybody do this answer. Then I'll share a screen with you again.
Ma'am, done करना. Ma'am, done रहना. Ma'am, I have done रहना.
Very good. Very good.
And I have also done Panshu Mishra.
Ma'am, I also done Rasa Agarwal.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, I also done Sanvi Agrawal. Ma'am, I have also done Samar Pratap.
Ma'am, I highlight the question answers.
Ma'am, I have done Vamika.
How many are still doing?
Ma'am, Ma'am, I am on the last similarity.
Okay, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, I have done. Yatharth Singh.
Yes, beta, done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, now children, we have done previous chapter also, and we have learnt about various landforms, right? Different landforms. In this chapter, we have learnt about different water bodies. So now, including both the chapters, you know the definitions, you know what isthmus is, what a bay is, what plains are, what oceans are. You can define everything, right? So there's a small worksheet that I would be giving you. Are you all ready for it? Yes.
But ma'am, I can't understand isthmus. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm ready.
Beta,
Yes, ma'am,
isthmus.
I am also ready. Ma'am, we should write in.
Beta, wait. I'm removing this screen, okay? I'm stopping the share. Oh,
Excuse me, ma'am.
wait.
Ma'am, I can't understand isthmus. Ma'am, we have to write on a rough notebook or fair notebook.
You have to write it on the fair notebook, in your fair notebooks, I mean. Okay, now just wait. Let me mute all of you. Fine. Now it's fine. What you have to do, you have to take out your fair copies. I'm giving you a combined small worksheet because time is very less. Combined worksheet of both the chapters. You are just going to define what you'll be asked in one line. Is that fine? Now Shobit was asking, ma'am, I cannot understand isthmus. Beta, isthmus एक narrow strip of land होती है जो कि दो बड़े lands को connect करती है. ठीक है? It is a narrow land. It is a narrow strip of land which connects two bigger lands. And strait, what is a strait? Strait is a narrow channel of sea that connects two larger bodies of water. This is the difference between isthmus and strait. Is that correct, Shobit? Do you understand it now? Show me a thumbs up if you do. Good. Now just wait. I'll share screen with you. Everybody write down today's date.
Excuse me,
Take
ma'am.
out new page. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm asking you before yesterday you said after we'll fill the maps.
Beta, I'll come on to the map work also. When it will be required, I'll do that also.
Ma'am, when we'll do map work, can you please tell about map work one day before because
Yes, of course, I will tell you a day before. I will tell you a day before only.
Because I don't have India political map.
Okay, beta. Okay, okay. Now what we are doing? Chapter. This is which chapter? 7th chapter, no? Chapter 6 and and 7 worksheet. Can you all see this on my screen? Can you all see my screen? Okay, question number 1. What is question 1? You have to write questions also. Write down today's date.